Hi everyone, we'll continue that method only. The name of the method is Modi method only. The name of the method is Modi method only. The name of the method is Modi method. Already we started the problem in the previous video. If you saw, already we started the problem. Like this question will be given and solve with the help of Modi method. Solve with the help of Modi method. Like this question is given, this question you have to find out the degeneracy. For finding the degeneracy, what you have to do, you have to pick the any of the method, northwest corner method, VAM method or least entry method. You can select the any method. So here I selected the by solving with the help of the northwest corner method. So here I got the occupy cell and unoccupy cell. So here number of rows, number of column. With the help of this formula we find out the whether the degeneracy is there or not. So in this problem no degeneracy is there. So no degeneracy is means, so in Modi method, after solving with the help of, directly I wrote here, after solving with the help of northwest corner method, after solving with the help of northwest corner method, next you have to do this one for allocated cell and unallocated cell. You have to find out for allocated cell, see here, occupy cell or occupy cell. Occupy cell, the formula will be Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. For unoccupy cell, this is the formula Cij minus Ui plus Vg. How you will get this one? If you see the last video, easily you can understand this one. The continuation of last video, this problem will be there. Okay, na? Based upon that only there. Here allocated. How many allocated cells are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unallocated, how many are there? 6 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after see allocated and unallocated, after getting this one, at the time of starting for allocated, u1 you have to assume as 0. Then you will get the value of u2, u3, v1, v2, v3 and v4. v1, v2, v3 and v4. Okay, na? After getting this value u1 you have to assume as the 0. After that what you have to do, after getting this allocated, you have to search in that wherever the unoccupied cell is there, wherever the unoccupied cell is there, in that unoccupied cell any negative sign is there? Yes, negative sign is there. Here negative sign is there. Here negative sign is there. Here negative sign is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many negative signs are there? 4 negative signs are there. That 4 negative signs you have to remove. That 4 negative sign you have to remove. How to remove that 4 negative sign? Well, again you have to find out occupy cell, then you have to find out unoccupy cell. Again you have to find out the value of u1, u2, u3, v1, v2, v3 and v4. So here how to select that one? For that combination of 4 cell, combination of 4 cell, like this you have to select the 4 cell. In that 3 are allocated, 1 is the negative, 3 are allocated, 1 is the unoccupied cell is the negative value is there. If you take this combination, this is allocated, allocated, occupy cell, occupy cell, occupy cell, unoccupy cell, but positive are there. You can't take this combination. If you take this combination, occupy, 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 unoccupy, but here positive is there. What is your condition? Occupy, 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 unoccupy, negative. So as you can see here, occupy, occupy, unoccupy, unoccupy, negative. You can take this one, and here you can see here occupy, 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 unoccupy, negative is there. Unoccupy, negative is there. So you can take this combination of this 4 cell or this 4 cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. You can take the any combination. So what I am doing, I am selecting this combination. I am selecting this combination. If I select this combination, let's see what will happen. So I have selected this combination, I selected. So where the unoccupy is there, where the unoccupy is there, there you have to take, here negative sign is there. Which sign it is here? Negative. So here you have to take the positive, and here you have to take the negative, and here you have to take the positive, and here you have to take the negative. Like this you have to take. Here negative sign is there now. So wherever the unoccupied cell is there, negative sign is there, that one you have to make as positive. If this one is positive, so next one is the negative. If this one is negative, so next one is the positive. If this one is positive, next one is the negative. Like that cycle will be changed. So here positive sign is there. Beside that, what is the value? 20. Beside that, what is the value? 10. Beside that 20, and beside that 10. So which one is the least value? 10 is the least value. So 10 you have to select. 10 you have to select. This one is the least value. Here you change now. Occupy, 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 unoccupy, occupy, 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 unoccupy. In unoccupy, which sign is there here? Negative. You form like this box. Here you make as a positive. If this one is the positive, so this one will become negative. This is negative, means next step will be positive. If next step positive, means next step negative. After negative, again it will come positive. When you selected this one, beside that 20 is there, beside that 10 is there. In that, which one is the least? 10 is the least. So 10 you have to selected that, and you have to project. Where you have to project, I will show you where you have to project. See here, you can project here. Over this one, again you have to write this one like this. Again you have to create like this. Oh, okay. Again you have to create like this. So here, don't change these values, only concentrate on these values, only concentrate on these values. So here, what is the value here? 10 you selected. What you selected number here? 10. So what is the value here? Plus. Plus means you have to write here plus 10. What you have to write here? Plus 10. What you have to write here? Plus 10. So I wrote here plus 10. What is the value here? Minus. So here 10 is there. 10 minus 10, 0 will be there. 10 minus 10, what is the value here? 0 there. Okay na? Here 10 is there now. Here 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Here plus is there now. So 10 plus 0, 10 only. Next one. What is the value here? 10. As you can see the sign, what is the sign? Plus. So this is 10 and this one is 10. 10 plus 10, how much it will become? 20. How much it will become? 20. So this one will become 20. Next, what is the sign here? Minus. What is the number here? 10. So 20 minus 10, how much it will become? 10. How much it will become? 10. This is the changes. This is the changes. Only I focus on this 4 cell. Only I focus on this 4 cell. Once again I will tell you. First you have to select the least value. Least value, how much you got? 10. What you have to do? Wherever you are getting plus, you have to add that 10. And wherever you are getting minus, you have to subtract that 10. So here you are getting plus. So add that 10. Here you are getting minus. Subtract that 10. Here you are getting plus. Add that 10. Here you are getting minus. Subtract that 10. Remaining you write as it is only. Remaining terms you have to write as it is only. But wherever you are getting plus, just add that 10. And wherever you are getting minus, minus that 10. That's it. So here I added, here I subtracted, here I added, here I subtracted. Remaining all are the unchanged. After that only, how many allocated and unallocated? Again you have to find out. After getting this one, again you have to find out. What you have to find out? See, after that again you have to assume u1 as 0. From where you got this one? Again you have to assume this one, u1 as 0. You have to find out the value of u2. You have to find out the value of u3. Again, so again you have to find out the value of v1. Here you have to find out the value of v1. Here you have to find out the value of v3. Here you have to find out the value of v3. And here you have to find out the value of v4. But at the time of starting, u1 you have to assume as 0. At the time of starting, u1 you have to assume as 0. As I already wrote the values, again I will write here. What I have to write here? C11. Cell names you have to give. C11. This is C12. This one is C13. This one is C14. This is C21. This one is C22. This one is C23. This one is C24. This is C31. This is C32. This one is C33. This one is C34. C11, C12, C13, C1. First row, first column. Okay na? Second row, first column. Third row, first column. Again you have to solve. I already wrote the here. So here occupied cell formulas also I wrote, unoccupied cell formulas, the formulas also I wrote. So in that only I will solve that one. So I will get the new values of this one. So here I am solving for occupied cell and unoccupied cell. First I am solving for occupied cell, then I am solving for unoccupied cell. So here this will be changed, here this will be changed. Total how many occupied cell is there? 6. How many unoccupied cells are there? 6. So 6 occupied cells are there and 6 unoccupied cells are there, as you can see here for easy understanding. Okay, for occupied cell, how many I wrote? Formulas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will count here. How many are there? Occupy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many are there? 6 are there. This is the formula. What is the formula? Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Cij is equal to ui plus vj. This is the formula. So first occupied cell. Where is the first occupied cell? C11. So I will write here C11. C11. So U1 plus V1. First one for U, second number for V. C11 value. Now first one is the C11 value. As you can see here, C11 value. How much value is there? 1 is equal to U1 value. U1 value. How much you assume? 0 plus V1. So V1 you are getting 1. How much you are getting V1? 1. So I will write here V1 value is 1. V1 how much I got? 1. Next one is the next cell C12. So I will write here C12. First value for U, second value for V. So U1 plus V2. So here how much value is there? 2. U1 value is equal to how much? U1 value how much you assume? 0 plus V2 value you don't know, that one only you will get. So V2 you got, how much you got? V2 2. So here you can write V2 how much you are getting. V2 value is equal to how much you got? 2. As you can see here, you got the value of V1 and you got the value of V2. You got the value of V1 and you got the value of V2. Next one, this occupied cell is over, this occupied cell is over. Next occupied cell, what is the occupied cell? C22. So here you write C22 is equal to C22 is equal to C22. So U2 plus V2, U2 plus V2, C22 how much? How much the value is there? 3. So I will write here 3 is equal to U2 value, no, U2 value you don't know. Write on U2 as it is. V2 value 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to U2. U2 value how much you got? 1. U2 value how much you got? 1. So write here 1. 1, 2, 3. This is for occupied cell. Another 3 are there. Next one is C23. Here you write C23. U2 plus V3. First for U, second for V. C23 as you can see, what is the value here? 2. U2 value, just now you got 1. Then V3, then 2 minus 1 is equal to V3. V3 is equal to how much you got? 1. V3 how much you got? 1. V3 how much you got? 1. Next one is this. What is the occupied cell name? C24. So I will write here C24, U2 and V4. C24, how much value is there? 1. So write here 1 is equal to U2 value. What is the U2 value? U2 value is 1 plus V4. So 1 minus 1 is equal to V4. V4 how much you are getting? 0. V4 how much you are getting? 0. So write here V4 is 0. Last occupied cell. Now what is the name of the cell? C33. Name of the cell is C33. So I will write here C33 is equal to U3 plus V3. C33, what is the value C33? C33 value is 5. So 5 is equal to U3 value, you don't know, that one only you have to find out. U3 write down as it is V3. V3 just now you got how much it is 1. So here 5 minus 1 is equal to U3, 4 is equal to U3. So here you got the value of U3. U3 how much you got? 4. This is for occupied cell. This one for occupied cell. As you can see here, this one for occupied cell. Next step what you have to do, you have to find out for unoccupied cell. You have to find out for unoccupied cell. How many unoccupied cells are there? You have to find out. This one you got. In occupied cell, if any negative term will come, then again you have to find out. Again you have to find out. Okay, na? For unoccupied cell, this is the formulas for unoccupied cell. I will erase this one. Total unoccupied cell is also 6 are there. So I will erase that. Let it be formulas like that only. It will helpful for us. This one also, and this one also, and this one also. So here for unoccupied cell. So first unoccupied, what is the cell number? C13. So I will write here C13 minus U1 V3. C13, what is the value? 1 minus U1 value is 0, V3 value is 1. So how much you are getting? 1 minus 1, answer is 0. Answer is 0. 1 minus 1, answer is 0. So here you can write answer plus 0. 0 means plus 0. Next one, C1J. Next occupied cell, C14. So here I will write C14, that is U1 V4. C14, how much value is there? 4 minus U1 value is 0, V4 value is 0. So how much is 4 minus 0? The final answer is 4. So that is plus 4. Plus 4. How much you got? Plus 4. Next step. Next unoccupied. Next unoccupied is C21. C21. So here you can write U2 or V1. So C21. C21 value is how much? 3 minus U2 value. How much you got U2? 1. How much you got V1? 1. That is 3 minus 2. How much you got? 1 value. How much you got the 1 value? So where you have to write plus 1. So here you have to write the plus 1. Next unoccupied. Where is occupied? Next unoccupied. 3 1. 3 1. So I will write here 3 1. That is U3 V1. U3 V1. See 3 1. 3 1 value how much it is there? 4. 4 minus U3 value 4. V1 value 1. So here maybe you are getting negative. So this is minus 1. Again you have to repeat the procedure. Here how much you are getting? Minus 1. In unoccupied, if you are getting negative value means again you have to repeat that. Let's see how many you will get the negative value. You got the 1 negative value. Then where is the next unoccupied? C32. So here C32. So U3 V2. So here C32. How much the value C32? 2 is there. 2 minus U3 value is 4. And V2 value is 2. So here again you are getting negative value. So here how much you are getting? Minus 4. 6 minus 2. How much you are getting? Minus 4. Again here you got the negative value minus 4. How much you got? Minus 4. Last one is there C34. So I will write here C34. So U3 and V4. U3 V4. See C34. How much value is there? 9 minus U3 value. How much is there? 4 plus V4 value, how much is there? 0 is there. As you can see here, 9 minus 4, how much here? Plus 5. So here plus 5, here you can write the plus 5. Again you are getting here negative value, here 2 negative values there. So again you have to repeat this iteration. Again what you have to do? Repeat this iteration. How to repeat this iteration? Again you have to form that box. Again what you have to do? You have to form that box. Okay na? You have to form that box. How to form that box? I told you. In that box, whatever you are selecting this 4 cell, in that 4 cell, 3 are allocated anywhere. One should be unoccupied. 3 are occupied, one should be unoccupied. Occupy, one should be unoccupied. And that unoccupied should be negative. So where you are finding that one situation? Occupy, unoccupied but positive. Occupy, unoccupied but positive. Occupy, unoccupied but positive. Occupy, unoccupied is negative. So you can take this one. Here you can take this one. This one you can take as a cell. As you can see here, this one you can take as a cell. This one you can take as a cell. Okay, now this one you can take as a cell. Because in that 3 are occupied. 3 are occupied and 1 is unoccupied, and that unoccupied is negative. This condition is satisfied. Then where is the unoccupied cell is there? That one you have to write where you have to write positive. Where is the unoccupied cell is there? As you can see here, the unoccupied cell is positive. What you have to write here? Positive. If this one is positive, so this one will become negative. If this one is negative, again this one will become positive. If this one is positive, again this will become negative. Now you have to select the term. Here plus is there. Beside that 20 is there, and here 30 is there. From that, which one is the least term is there? 20 or 30? So 20 you have to select. What you have to select? 20 you have to select. What you have to select? 20, because this is the plus. So this side how much value is there? 20, and this side how much value is there? 30. So which one you have to select? Least value you have to select. So in that only I am making the changes. What I am doing, making the changes, as you can see here. Otherwise I will write the one, I will form the one table. Again one other box. This is D1, D2, D3 and D4, and this one is O1, O2, O3, O1, O2, O3, D1, D2 and D3. As you can see here, D4, D3, D2, D1 and O1, O2, O3. Whatever the values are there, write down that one 1. This is first value is 1, this is 2, 1, this one is 4. Next one is the 3, okay, no need to write this one. And next one is the 4, and here 9, and here 1 is there. This one you are changing now, so no need to write that one. Allocated you write, allocated here 20, allocated here 10, and allocated here 10 only, that's it. How many allocated are there? 3 allocated are you got. And next one is the, here what is the value? 3, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 2, 2, 5, 3, 2, 2, 5. Okay, na? In that I am changing. What I selected the term? 20. What I selected the term? 20. So wherever I am getting plus, I have to add 20, and wherever I am getting minus, I have to subtract 20. So here plus is there. So I will start from here plus 20. What I will write here? Plus 20. Here minus is there. As you can see here, minus. So already 30 is there. 30 minus 20, how much it will be? 10. How much it will be? 10. As you can see here, plus is there. Here 20 is there. So this one will become 30. This one will become 30. And here minus is there. 20 minus 20 will be 0. No need to locate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So wherever the plus is there, there you have to add. and wherever the minus is there, that there you have to subtract 20. You have to add 20 and you have to subtract 20. First you have to add 20, then you have to subtract 20. So how many allocations you got? Totally how many allocations you got? You have to check that one. Totally how many allocations are got? First one is the 20, 10, 30. Okay. 20, 10, 30, 10, 10. See, after getting this, here again you have to find out what you have to do. Again you have to find out u1 as a 0 and u2 and u3. Then you have to find out v1, v2, v3, v4. Till when you have to find out? Till the unallocated cell. This is allocated. Forget about allocated. In unallocated cell, if you all values you are getting positive, in unallocated cell, if all the values you are getting positive, as you can see here, two terms are you are getting the negative. In unallocated cells, if all the values you are getting positive, till that you have to repeat this procedure. Till that you have to repeat this procedure. Again you have to find occupied cell. Again you have to find out the unoccupied cell. Again you have to repeat. So here, suppose you are getting here positive value, and here also positive, and here also positive, here also positive, and here also positive. Suppose you are getting all this positive value, then you go for the tabular column. What is the tabular column? You can here allocation. What is that? Allocation. Next one is the from. Next one is the to. Next one is the number of units. Next one is the unit cost. Next one is the total cost. Like this, allocation from. When you have to go for in unoccupied cell. In unoccupied cell, if all the values you are getting positive, then only you can go for. Otherwise you have to repeat this procedure. At least 3 times you have to repeat, then only you will get the final answer. In first time also you will get, but most problem you will get in 3 times you will get the like this answer. So you have to remember this one. Whenever like these things are given, you have to go for allocation, then unallocation. First you have to find out the occupied cell, then you have to find out the unoccupied cell. After getting all the values are positive, then only you can go for the this tabular form. The tabular form you have to take location, allocation, location, allocation, location, allocation. You have to find out with the help of this Modi method. So whenever Modi method is given, first you have to go for northwest corner method, then you have to go for the after that you have to go for the occupied cell formula. What is the formula for occupied cell? Cij. What is the formula for occupied cell? Cij is equal to ui plus vj. For an occupied cell, what is the formula? Cij minus ui plus vj. This one for occupied cell and this one for unoccupied cell. This one for occupied cell and this one for unoccupied cell. Like this you have to find out whenever the Modi method. Why I am not solving this one? You know already this one. Allocated, from, to, number of unit cost, then total cost. Like this you have to solve. That's why I am not solving this one. You can solve this one easily. If you can see the previous videos also, easily you will get the answer for that occupied, unoccupied cells.